I'm Dr. Rashmi Shrivastava from Gorakhpur, UP, and I am a part of batch 114 of C3 here in IC8. I am going to talk about DFI, DNA Fragmentation Index. It's a very important test to know about the male part of infertility, because it is the thing which we never think about. DFI is the percentage of sperm that is fragmented. That is fragmented means broken. Normal percentage of fragmented sperm in the semen sample should be less than 15%. If it is more than 15%, that is significant. And if you talk about the DFI, usually normal sperm has a halo. If we are good in everything, there must be a brightness or a confidence in us. So if a sperm has a good DNA, that it has a halo around it. This is the thing we see in the DFI. Okay, if it has fragmentation in its DNA, then this halo must be less or must not be there. Okay, and we count around 100 sperm in the slide we prepared. There is a certain way to prepare the slide for DFI test, which follow around 6 reasons. Okay, and there is a specific, if you want, I can clear that part also, that how it prepare and how it see in the microscope, because it is a thing we never understand when we are learning here, and later on when we cannot explain to others, then we think about what is this and what should we understand about this, because frequently different centers are doing this, and there are many test reports you will see also. When it come to you, then you think about what is this and why don't we understand it when we are learning here. Okay, so it is the DFI, which is very important test. We must understand about this. कल आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया था कि कैसे बनाया गया था, सब स्टेप्स क्लियर हो गए थे? ठीक है, थैंक यू. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
Hello ma'am, I'm Dr. Pooja Kumari from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I just want to ask, do you do DFI in every infertile couple?
No, mainly if there is recurrent pregnancy loss, then we will do DFI, and if there is unexplained infertility, then if we were searching about the cause, for the male we have only semen analysis, nothing more.
Ma'am, just say if a couple comes to you with previous 3 abortions and all the hormone profile are okay, then you only one thing that you do is DFI.
I will must see this. DFI will must that.
This is my personal opinion.
Unexplained and recurrent pregnancy loss is 2 indication which is must for DFI.
आई थिंक आफ्टर लर्निंग इधर से जब से DFI सीखा है, इट इज़ ऑलवेज बीन RPL में ना हम हमेशा फीमेल पार्टनर को ही देखते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑलवेज बीन द टेंडेंसी कि RPL में हमेशा अपन फीमेल पार्टनर का वो पूरा फॉस्फोलिपिड प्रोफाइल एंड पूरा एप्ला प्रोफाइल करा लेंगे, और कुछ भी नहीं मिला तो अपन फिर भी एम्पेरिकली हिपैरिन, इकोस्प्रिन, वो पूरा कॉकटेल अपन चालू कर देते हैं. बट देन DNA अपन कभी सोचते ही नहीं है कि मेल काउंटर पार्ट में भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, इसीलिए शी इज गोइंग इनटू प्रॉब्लम. तो आई थिंक इट शुड बिकम प्रोटोकॉल की रिकरेंट प्रेगनेंसी लॉस में हस्बैंड प्रेग्नेंट तो हो रही है, मतलब काउंट्स तो ठीक ही है, इसीलिए वो काम कर रहा है और प्रेग्नेंट हो पा रही है. बट देन इफ इट इज गोइंग इन अ लॉस एंड इफ फीमेल में कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है अपने को, तो एक बार तो DFI करना बनता ही है मेल का.
थैंक यू.